The name my parents gave me was Abdata Kudama. It was in the past regime that my name was changed to Debebe. I live in Gulale locality of Finfinnee City. Both men lived in Finfinnee City for long years. Debebe Kudama says he could not properly communicate with his children about their identity. My children were born in Finfinnee City. They don't know language and cultures of their people. They are dominated by the philosophy of those who do not recognize the identity of others. They don't know anything about Oromo culture. He said that he himself is lucky that he did not lose the language and cultures of his parents and ancestors. I'm very lucky. I cannot write by Afan Oromo alphabet. I only speak the language. I was about to get lost away from my identity. God saved me. The Baba said that his son responds in another language when he speaks to him in Afan Oromo. I, anyway, speak to him in my broken Amharic. It is that way that we communicate. Kulkulu Ijo is an instructor at Addis Ababa University.
Inga fanna jolle Finfinnee kanam university tisin ufti maka origa maka Oromo basuf nangafat.
We ask students from Finfinnee City about their identity in the university. Some do have even Oromo names, but they cannot speak Afan Oromo. When I ask them which nation they belong to, they say that they are Finfinneans. They say their parents were Oromo. They do not know the difference between identity and birthplace. Oromos living in Finfinnee City are deleting Oromoness from their children. Unless something is done soon, it will be difficult to sustain identity of Oromo in this city. How come one loses his identity on his own fatherland? This is really a great failure. I have 5 children. The name of one of them is Ipsa. I named him so to at least preserve Oromo names in my family. The others ask me what Ipsa is. I tell them that it means light. Ipsa is an Oromo only by his name. He cannot speak Afan Oromo. There are hundreds of children like mine who lost their identity. The area where they live has great impact on their identity. The environment they spend days with their peers affects them. Thus, Afan Oromo medium schools should be expanded in the city as it has so far been started in some sub-cities. That way, we can even influence others to learn our language as we have learned theirs. When one is able to speak Afan Oromo, he would be advantageous in many areas. I'm very sad for the Oromo in Finfinnee, whose fathers and forefathers were born here. They are losing their identity. They do not know their clan's genealogy. The Gulale Oromo clans and relatives of Tufamuna are disappearing from this city. They are losing everything, including the Finfinnee Sacred Spring. All ceremonial grounds are lost.
Iragade kachise abebe tufa, iragade kachise abebe tufa. Gara irafate natika sejuva, gara irafate natika sejuva. Ajenna. Akatika chisu ya abebe tufa na babeto, akatika chisu ya badane tufa. Gara irafate natika sejuva na babeto, gara irafate natika sejuva.
Children of Debebe Kudama and Lieutenant Guillaume Eressa are new to the hidden Oromo values in their birthplace, Finfinnee City.
Ani gudrin afan ki yentu banyan af mari. Gudrin
The development in which I cannot speak my language is nothing for me. For me, the development in which my identity is not reflected is empty. You may build tall buildings, asphalt roads, foreigners may come and appreciate Ethiopia in general and Finfinnee city in particular. But Oromo is strange to this, its own fatherland, Finfinnee. The Oromo could not speak own language in this city. If the real Oromo identity is not established in this city, a farmer from Sululta feels equal feeling as when he comes to Finfinnee city and when he goes to the United States of America. People in both Finfinnee and Washington cannot speak Afan Oromo. We should not establish towns which damage identity of nations and nationalities. Unless Afan Oromo is made to be spoken in Finfinnee city, it would mean only lip service and not a reality to restore Oromo identity in the city, once ceremonial ground for these people. Afan Oromo medium schools have been opened in the city with the commitment of only the Oromia regional state government. Oromo nationals should get the right to learn in Afan Oromo in the city. The then amazing backyard of Habebe Tufa has today lost identity of the Oromo. Finfinnee is the navel of the entire Oromo.
Eenyummaan Oromoo as keessatti foobiyaadha, sodaa guddaa. Qe'ee ofiirratti jibbamuun, sodaatamuun kuni ilaalcha namummaa miti.
In this city, Oromophobia is deepening. To be headed on own land is really painful. Imagine of the guest who comes to your home and hates you openly at your home and backyard. Oromo cares about humanity. Oromo is not egoist. When you go to an Oromo house and ask him for water when you are thirsty, he gives you yogurt. This is the quality God gave the Oromo at birth. Oromo artists sing about Finfinnee city, for they know the value of Finfinnee in the heart of the Oromo.
Kabada buzuna shi goro tidacha se unduma shi.
Duruma jammare ta'e isaan tokko na darbu waayurummaa fatsmoo hin kaasan hin jaalatanis.
Oromo was under severe pressure. The problem still exists, especially here in Finfinnee city. But thanks to our heroes and heroines, this time after wars, it would be impossible to stop the Oromo. Ways of bringing back our lost children should be thought on.
Finfinnee, Finfinnee, yeah, Finfinnee, Finfinnee, yeah, Finfinnee.
Orma kee jalattanneessa Hoggalaaleetiya sululta looniin tiksu darabaatti galchiidha Hoggalaaleetiya yooman dhufeesi akka ansirraa fagoon jira Maalan jira maalan jira yaga maalan jira caccabsee na nyaatee jira Anin jiru anin jiru yaga anin jiru kukkutee na nyaatee jira Kote nami ciisanii darbatee yaga kote nami ciisanii darbatee Rafeen buluu namni waan ormaa abdatee yaga maalan jira caccabsee na nyaatee jira Gara diigamuu malee nu baasan addaan baanee nu addaan ba'uu malee Sooretti haadha sooree irbaanii rabuusa qabaay seeqanii sesseeqanii kan gargaar nu baatan jarayin Hoggalaaleetiya farda siidaa katanii siidaa dabalee suuri Hoggalaaleetiya erga nu daangeessanii barrii ture buulee Hoggalaaleetiya waddeessi jiraa gubee amboorraa calaqqiisi Hoggalaaleetiya narraa fagaatte jedhee si yaaduun kiyya yoo mafe Mada nafe aga Dane mada nafe caccabse nyaate lafe Anin jiru yaga Anin jiru kukkute nyaate te Chuwa jetti simbiroo nalkani yaga Chuwa jetti simbiroo nalkani Nama garaan ane mamuun argani yaga Maalan jira caccabse nyaate jiran Maalan jira yaga maalan jira caccabse nyaate jiran Anin jiru yaga anin jiru kukkutee na nyaate jiran Kote nami ciisanii darbatee yaga kote nami ciisanii darbatee Rafeen buluu namni waan ormaa abdatee yaga maalan jira caccabse na nyaate